Warm greetings, dear students. I'm Hari Bhaskar. So this semester we are going to discuss the subject statistics for managerial decisions. So in this first unit is introduction to statistics. In this particular unit, we are going to discuss about what is statistics concepts one. What are the things we are going to learn it from unit number 1. Okay. So in this we are going to learn what is statistics and definition of statistics. What are the different branches are there in the statistics, and what are the importance of learning subject statistics and its functions, scope, limitations of statistics. All those things we are going to learn. And then we are going to learn collection, classification, and data, how we are collecting the data, how we are classifying it, because these are all very important for the upcoming units, because we are going to use the data, and through the data, we are going to do some analysis. Okay, so for that, this collection and classification of data is important, and create an interpretation of diagrams and graphs. These are all very important because pictorial representation of data is very important. That we are going to learn it through this create and interpretation of diagrams and graphs. And we are going to learn construction of frequency distribution table, which is the very basic for the upcoming 4 units. So these are the things we are going to learn it from unit number 1, introduction to statistics. Okay. So definition, have it very simple that statistics is used to collect and classifying the data. So that is the definition you need to learn about what is statistics. Okay, so it is used in different field, and we can say there is no field without statistics. So that much it is having importance and interrelated with the different fields. So we can have as a simple statistics is collecting of data, organizing of those data, and summarizing of the data, and at last presenting the data for the purpose of analysis. So that is we can define as statistics. That's what we are going to do it in all the upcoming units also. Okay, so we'll learn it one by one, all those concepts in this upcoming classes. So you need to know the objectives of statistics. Okay, so there are different why we are learning this statistics subjects that you need to know first. Okay, so you are able to make a first thing, you are being a manager, you need to make a decisions. So there are a lot of things used to be there in front of you. From that, you need to take up best things. That is called as decision making. That decision making we are able to do through the statistics. We can analyze the data. Through the analysis, we are able to take a best course of action. So that's what we are going to do by studying this business statistics. Okay. Then to make sense from population or mass. So population used to be very huge in numbers. From that, we'll take some sample, we'll do some analysis, then we'll take a decision. And also to take action on basis of available data. So sometimes we may not have all the data of the population. We may have some limited numbers of people and their information. So by using that, how we are able to make a decision, that we are going to do it through the statistics. And another thing, we are able to forecast the future. So no other courses we are able to do this, but by using statistics, we are able to make, okay, because it is scientific forecasting, scientific prediction. So whatever the data we have, through that we have some tools, and we are able to predict the future by having the present data. So that is possible through the statistics that we are going to attain through the statistics. Okay. Then we are able to prove unknown data by the known data. That's what I said. Population, we may not know all the information of the population, but by having the sample, we may have the data of the sample that we are able to apply it for the population. Okay. And to examine the changes in particular activities. So how things are changing in due course of time, that we are able to analyze through the statistics. Okay. And we are able to make a conclusion, and that's what we have seen, that we are able being a better decision maker through the statistics. So that is possible. And also to provide basis for information for knowledge related to particular field of study. Since we have studied that as statistics is an interrelated subject, so it will help us to gain knowledge from other subjects also. Okay, so these are the objectives of statistics, and in the upcoming class, we'll discuss about other topic also. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for the cooperation.